Tim, your new ETF, the Carbon Strategy Fund, ticker KARB, is focused on the compliance carbon markets. What exactly does that mean?
The carbon compliance markets are also known as cap and trade systems, and these are mechanisms whereby regulatory agencies look to reduce the output of greenhouse gas emissions by putting a price on carbon. So specific industries are given an allowance of carbon they can produce, and if they go over that allowance, the less efficient producers will have to pay a fee. So this is a trading mechanism now. More efficient producers can sell their allowances to less efficient.
And why would an individual investor want to be exposed to the carbon markets?
For a number of reasons. Most of all because we anticipate price appreciation. Global carbon right now is priced $15 to $100 a ton. The estimates are that it'll have to get to $130 a ton by 2030 and $250 a ton by 2050 in order to meet the Paris Accord agreements.
Can you dig a little bit deeper and explain to me exactly what's in that ETF?
The ETF currently holds 3 different futures contracts on carbon allowances. Right now, the primary market is limited to entities that are involved in the actual ETS systems. The secondary market is futures contracts, which are also not acceptable or accessible to most investors. So an ETF that holds the futures is the most viable alternative for individual investors. We currently hold the European, California, and Northeast regional futures contracts.
So do I file this under ESG investing, impact investing, clean tech investing? What do I put this under?
I think it probably fits under the ESG, and it's the most pure play ESG I can think of. If you look at ESG, it's kind of come to mean a lot of different things to a lot of different people. Reduction of greenhouse gas emissions is the central reason for these carbon allowances to exist, and that's what you're getting exposure to.
Finally, this is a relatively new market. Where do you see this carbon market headed in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years? What's your outlook?
Sure. The growth has been spectacular so far. From 2018 to 2021, we saw a compound annual growth rate of over 60%. The market is currently probably $1 trillion. And the number of ETS systems, or cap and trade systems, is currently 34 that are operational or in development. So we're seeing explosive growth in the actual sector.
All right, well, thanks a lot for coming on and talking about it.
Thank you, Greg.